KWAH benang kren phareng Peit ya kene ka video pandirap EP. Where are you from? Pidesh nong nae. What do you do? P3 ayu. How often do you go there? KANO sin pijulit chata. How many siblings do you have? KATNO ngut shipara pidon. How long will it take? KATNO kan shimpor. Why didn't you come? Balay P1. Why are you late? Balay P-slam. Why is there so much traffic? Nakataw ayu kadheng kali katne. Which car do you want to buy? KANO kakali pikwa bantit. How did you come? Kumno P1. Where is this bus is going? College SHAEI kane ka bus. Where is your office located? Hangno kadon ka office jongpi. How much is this phone? KATNO tingka kane ka phone. When will you pay? Lano pencil. To whom shall I speak? Ngan kren no. Where did you park the car? Hangno pibu ya kakali. With whom did you go? PHIN LEIT BADNO. Who will go? BADNO LEIT. To whom did you give the book? PHIN kakot. When did you come? P1 BADNO. Where is it raining? NANGNO kapang. For how long? HATO HADUH KATNO. How long do we have to wait here? HADUH KATNO ngihap ban up hangne. With whom is she sitting? Kasyong BADNO. From where do we have to enter? Ngihap rong nae. Where did you keep the key? Hae pibu iya ushabi. Which way should we go? Nakano kalenti ngihap LEIT. How many days will you stay in Shillong? KATNO sngi pinsa Shillong.